All right, so when we tried to start the Ranger up this morning, it sounded like there were some battery issues. So we took this apart and we saw that it was all rusted. So I'm gonna clean that up and then put it back together and see if it starts the way it should. We got those cleaned up. I'm gonna take this apart and clean that up with some 220 sandpaper. And these are just 11s up here. Clean the other terminal here. So it's not a 13, it is a 1/2. All right. Somebody put these crimped ends on here. No idea why, but for this type of a battery terminal, we don't really need them, so we're gonna cut them off and make sure we get a good connection. All right, so what we'll do, come in here to the positive one. Let's put a slice in it first. We'll put a slice in about that long. Okay. We'll do the same with the small one. Try not to cut the cameraman or myself. Okay, so there's those two. Now we got to do the negative side. So put a cut in it. These will go together in here. The negative side, let's see. All right. Okay, so that one's good. Let's do the positive one right quick. There we go. Now we're cooking the gas. Oops. There we go. Bzz, bzz, bzz. All right, fire it up. See what it does.